If your curiosity looks like a wide-eyed child, you're a wonder seeker. Today we're diving into the world of creatures that might just cheat death. Imagine a world where aging is just a concept, and some beings can essentially hit the reset button on their lives. First, we have the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature can reverse its life cycle, turning its adult cells back into their juvenile form, essentially starting life over again. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to bypass death and revert to an earlier stage of its life cycle. It's like having a biological time machine. While it's vulnerable to predators, in theory it could live forever. Next, the hydra, a small aquatic animal, defies aging thanks to its powerful stem cells. These stem cells continuously divide and renew, allowing the hydra to regenerate any part of its body. It regenerates itself endlessly, showing no signs of growing old. Then there's the lobster, which produces an enzyme called telomerase, keeping its cells young. Telomerase repairs the DNA sequences at the ends of chromosomes, known as telomeres, which typically shorten as cells divide and age. Lobsters keep growing and reproducing, but they eventually die from exhaustion or predators. Despite their impressive longevity, lobsters face challenges in the wild, such as predation and the energy demands of molting. We can't forget the Greenland shark, a slow-moving giant that lives for over 400 years. Its slow metabolism and icy habitat contribute to its incredible lifespan. The Greenland shark's longevity is also attributed to its slow growth rate and the cold temperatures of its Arctic environment, which reduce metabolic rates and cellular damage. Finally, the Arctica elandica clam, also known as Ming, holds the record at over 500 years old. Its secret? This clam's remarkable lifespan is due to its extremely slow growth rate and the stable, low-energy environment of the ocean floor. A super slow growth rate and a peaceful ocean floor life, these clams have adapted to their environment in such a way that they can survive for centuries, undisturbed by the fast-paced changes that affect many other species. Ending. So while true immortality might only belong to a jellyfish, nature proves that living for centuries is no myth. These incredible creatures show us that the natural world is full of surprises and that longevity can take many forms. From the regenerative abilities of the hydra to the slow, steady life of the Greenland shark, each of these animals has found a unique way to extend its time on Earth. Which of these incredible animals fascinates you the most? Imagine the stories they could tell if they could speak.